the importance will come depending on the purpose, the objective. For me, there are sectors which we found to be highly recommended for mandatory covers. Sectors like agriculture and livestock. The justification would be to have more food security, to make sure that population is covered against diseases and weather-related risks. So, minimum compulsory covers related to index or weather, livestock mortality and the likes appears to me to be very of the economic nature of our population. Other areas would be constructions and buildings which may collapse. There's a risk of collapsing and bringing a lot of effect to our economy. Of course, the energy, petroleum risks, which might bring pollution, bodily injury, and the likes. Also, logistics and transport. These are the areas which you can derive the reasons to expand and have some mandatory covers. But there must be a special consideration on how do we scale them without proper framework in terms of legal regulatory framework. That the expansion will be limited. But of course, without proper digital innovation to distribute products, the impact will also be limited. And therefore, those are, if you can choose areas which are very impactful to the population, and you can give the justification and put the legal framework in place, I think that is the way to go for the benefit of the